Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cass here. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, hey, what's up y'all? Thank you for supporting me. So today, you guys, I'm going to be getting and receiving a purified and alkaline system today. So I'm so happy because y'all already know. If you know a little about health, you already know that alkaline is like the best of the best of the best water that you need to be drinking. So if you know that, then you know this is a big deal, okay? If my throat is a little hoarse or funky, I'm sorry. My sinus and all that is going crazy. I can't see. I don't have my contacts because I lost them, so I can't even see. So if you see me squinting, that's a whole nother thing. I just decided that I should probably record this because, you know, I'm big on like health. I do a lot of like health videos, or, you know, showing you guys different health things along with the lifestyle, the balanced life of Cass. You get it? So I thought that maybe I should show you guys this because you might want one. And the machine, let me show you what it's called. Hold on. So the machine is called, system is called Purnix. Maybe I should learn how to say that word. But the machine is called, system is called Purnix. Pretty much it's like an $8,000 machine, but you make payments on it and you have to do a credit check. So your credit got to be good to get this new system. Another thing is that with the system, it's hooked up to your wire line where the city runs water, or however you run your water. It hooks it up to there so that you can have purified water throughout your whole house. When you're washing your clothes, brushing your teeth, flushing the toilet, it's just purified water. And then there's an alkaline system that will be hooked up in the kitchen. So everything else will be purified water and then an alkaline system in your kitchen that you can drink like by your sink. So I thought that this would be great to like video, and let's see if I can get videos of them coming in and putting it together so that y'all can see as well. Also, another thing with the system is that they provide you with pure gentle items for 5 years. So like all your water bottles that you buy, soap, hand wash, anything like that that you buy, they're substituting that. But you don't have to buy water bottles because you're going to be drinking your alkaline water. So you fill up your water bottles and your dish detergent and everything. We're going to get that to you. That 120 loads that you should be getting, you're going to be getting that now because you have purified water running and not the city water. They did a whole presentation, y'all, on how city water is. Listen, we brush our teeth and wash our mouth out with the city water, and he showed us like how the chemicals stay in our body, bro. Like, I knew it was bad, but I'm like, bro, it's crazy. Like, I wish everybody could get this system because we already knew how it would be, but just didn't know to that extent, if you know what I'm trying to say. So this is crazy. I'm just happy we get a chance to get this system. If y'all hear the camera focusing, I don't know how to turn the focus off. I gotta figure out how to turn the focus off. I know y'all see the kitchen dirty. I gotta go clean up because they're about to come, and I gotta make sure the kitchen is clean. Y'all just stay tuned. They should be here around 4, so y'all stay tuned. Hey Alexa, play my playlist.
You bet. Here's your playlist R&B latest on Amazon Music.
Hey guys, I don't know what happened to the audio and my mic. It really failed me, but I was just basically showing you guys the kitchen, how clean it was. After doing whatever I had to do, I had to take out all of the things from underneath the cabinet. Cabinets are clean, as you can see. I'm also showing you guys where they're going to be putting the alkaline drink system pump. So that will be all, and they're at the door right now. I'll show you guys how they put it in. Right now they just have to put a hole in the wall to get to the room, but stay tuned. Machine right here. It's bougie tank.
Pegar la llave en el maletín negro que está donde está la cosa esa
So hey you guys, it's the next day. I didn't get a chance to record because they got done really late and it was dark. So this is the next day. Yes, I do wear black all the time, so yeah. But let me show you guys how the sink looks and what they did, and pretty much that's how the alkaline water faucet looks. And it flows like a lot, but we had to run the water. As you can see, you have to run it, so we have not started drinking it yet because we have to run the water and then they have to come back and check the water. So that's what they're going to be doing, but we do run it, and there's salt that they have to put inside. This is underneath. This is how it looks. That's the alkaline water tank, and then this is the purified water tank. Oh, this is the alkaline water tank actually, right there, if you guys can see. And then this is a water tank to run the whole house. So that's how it looks. It's a pretty, you know what I'm saying, pretty little setup underneath there. But that is pretty much it for the inside. So now the outside, you guys, I'm gonna take y'all outside so y'all can see how that looks, because that tank looks nice, y'all. So this is how the tank looks, you guys. It sits outside or in your garage, depending on how your house is set up. And that's how it looks, a really bougie tank. So yeah, the Nassau uses this brand, so that's why they got their little logo on there, whatever, you know. But it's a really nice tank, and I can't wait to get started with drinking the alkaline water once it gets fixed, you guys. So, but that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. I will be giving an update on this water tank, because y'all know, period, they'll have to come back and get it if it's not what it is. Okay, I will do an update on this water tank and let you guys know. If you've gotten already this far, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, you guys, so it'll help me out a lot. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post more videos. Oh Jesus, so you'll know when I post more videos. The animals are out here. I gotta go.